A, okay, uh, equal to B. I am just asking it membership. Okay, first, uh, say for example, uh, not equal to A, like remove this membership of any object or not. Okay, A, okay, H is the letter in A. In A, H letter is there or not, I'm checking. Okay, it will give me true. You saw that, right? Huh? You are trying whether this letter is having membership in this object or not. Yes, it is there. H is there, right? Okay, now W I'll put. W is a member of this object or not. Means somewhere W is there here. It will give false. Okay, now for this, if it is W not in, that is also one membership. Reverse of it, like for if it is returning true, it will return false. Now see, W is not part of A. Yes, it is true. W is not part of hello, right? Correct, right? W not in A. That's true. You will get true. Correct, right? Hmm?
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
So these are two are called as operate membership operator. The other thing was what? Identity operator. Which one? Is and is not. Okay, or operator. Okay, and there is one more thing. A is equal to hello, B is equal to hello world. Okay, B is equal to also hello world. Got it?
Got
Okay.
it.
uh, if a if A is B, okay, if A is B, print. Okay, A and B, just I am writing a small program for you. A and B are referring to the same object. Got it, guys? Huh?
You
Okay.
not right referring right. You writing
No,
referring not right.
okay, let it be. The spelling was okay. Refer. I'm also very poor at writing
Yes?
spellings. Okay. Yes, yes, very poor. Okay. So now, yeah, A is B. Okay. Then if
My
it is,
speaking is very poor.
yeah, that happens. You can slowly, what do you say, come out of that. Okay. Now
Mm.
A is
Mm-hmm.
B, right? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, then else, okay, else, okay, L, L, elif, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Elif means like else if kind of thing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Print, okay, print. Oh, elif, I have to write the condition. Okay. A in, okay, A equal to B. Okay. Then what I can give is, okay, A and B are same values. Okay, same values. Hello world, but they are not referring to the same object, but both are having same values. Correct, right? Same values. Both are same, right? But they are referring to different object, but they are having the same values. Okay. So now, Okay, else, okay, what I'll say is print A and B are, okay, uh, different values. Okay, let me remove this. Instead, what I'll do is, yeah, first let me check this whether it will work or not. End of line scanning string literal. What is the problem? Okay, here it is. Let me put it. Let me put it. Okay, this one it is okay. Okay, now what I'll do is A is equal to, okay, print I will give input. I'll take input. Okay, enter the Siddharth. You are back. Siddharth, you
I'm
are
there.
okay. Okay, okay. Just to see some small program I'm writing with all these membership operators. Okay, just I'm trying to write how usually you'll also write small programs. Okay, I'm just trying. First, I will give uh, hello HELLO. Same word we have to give hello. Hello only I'll give. Okay, hello. One single word. Then hello. Now I just want to know A and B are the same values. Okay, means somewhere it is taking space when we are giving it slash n or something like that. But if you consider, okay, this as a, what do you say, uh, as hello, if you give here, here, okay, the same thing I'll copy it and put it over here. Let us see what it will give us. There is something we are doing mistake. And we are referring to this. Oh God. See, this is okay. So A and B are referring to the same object, right? So that is the reason you are getting, since they are. If I say this small space, I'll keep and I'll say world. Okay. I'll give world. Okay. Then I'll run it. Then they are the same values, but they are not referring to the same object. But if I say one value, I'll make it different. Okay, and another value is different, then you'll get A and B are different values. Is this clear? Small program for you guys. Membership operators, how we are giving. Okay, and Siddharth? Yeah, Siddharth, is it clear? The small program membership
Yes,
one?
sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the identity thing. Okay, is equal to means whether the objects are same. I mean, like objects are different, but values are same or not. Okay. Say for example, if I have this particular thing, okay, if I say A is B, print A is B, what it will return me? True or false? Guys, A is B.
False.
No, no. Hello, both are same objects. Correct, right? Until you have a sentence, then it will become false. Okay. A is B will be referring to the same object, right? If it is a sentence, then only new object will be created. One word, it doesn't create a new object. See, both will be referring to the same object. But if you have some word, sentence, even though they are same, hello word, see, they are different to different. See, even if I keep it now combined, a single thing, still they refer to the same object. See, if they are sentence, L, 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 L. Okay, I'll run it. Got it? They are different now. Okay. A is B means whether the objects are same or not. Print A is equal to B means whether the value of A and value of B are same or not. Value, not object, I'm talking about. Then it will return you print, it will return true. The values are same, but the objects are different. Means in A also hello world is there or not, B also hello world is there or not. That is what it means. A equal to B. Okay, that is what. Okay, and there is some other thing called as membership operator. Print, I want to check in A hello is there or not. Okay, say hello in, okay, A. Okay, let us see what it will return. Okay, it will return true because hello is there in A. Okay, let me try whether uh, chalo is there or not. Okay, it is false. Chalo is not there. Okay, but if you want not only words, if you want O is there or not in hello world in A, just means O is a membership of A or not you are checking. This is called as in is called as membership. Is called as identity because ID you are be referring. In you are not referring to IDs or anything, whether something is there in that particular object or not. It is a member of that object or not. Okay, it is O is it is there. Now I want to check Z is the member of A or not. Anywhere Z is there or not. Let me check. It is not there. You can use Z not also. Z not means Z is not in A. Then what it will return? Yes, it is not there. So it will return true.
True.
It will return Z. Okay. Not in it. You have to.
Take rest. I'm not feeling well right now.
No. It's over. We'll finish it. Wrap it up.
Yeah.
1 minute. Okay. Not in. Yeah. So this is called as membership operator. So guys, we have done with everything with all the operators. Okay. Now maybe tomorrow we might take 1 or 1.5 hour to help you guys in understanding command line arguments, like what are the print input you have given, right? Those things we will practice, and then we will be moving towards the conditional flows. For only tomorrow, 1 week, 1 day in week, any day, I'll ping you guys and let you.
Tuesday you can keep, not tomorrow.
Okay. Any 1 day in week, any 1 day in a week. Okay, not tomorrow. I'll keep it.
Okay.
You guys be ready with that.
Okay.
Okay. Hatira, it's okay, right?
Okay.
Okay, fine then. Okay. Let me stop this video and upload it now itself. I think I have